a single story house with just over 2,000 square feet and 3 full bedrooms as well as an office. Well, if that got your attention, then stick around because we're gonna go check out this model home. But first, I wanna tell you a little bit about the neighborhood. So let's go ahead and dive on in. Hey y'all, if you are brand new to the channel and you want to learn everything there is about living in San Antonio, Texas, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you'll be the first to learn about the current market right here in San Antonio, Texas. My name is Brock and I'm getting phone calls, texts, and emails all of the time from folks just like you who are looking to move to San Antonio, and I love when that happens. So whether you're moving in the next 7 days or maybe the next 70 days, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. All of my contact information is down below in the description, and I cannot wait to hear from you soon to help you make a smooth move to San Antonio, Texas. Now today we are in the brand new community named Legendary Trails that is on the far northeast side of San Antonio in a town named Cibolo, Texas. It is a highly desired area of San Antonio, and if you're looking for a family-friendly neighborhood with lots of stuff to do, then fear not, because this is exactly what you're looking for. There's a nice playground as well as a pool right here in the community for everyone, and if you can hear overhead, there's actually a jet flying over, and that can only mean one thing. We're actually really close to Randolph Air Force Base, so if you are PCSing to San Antonio and going to be stationed at Randolph Air Force Base, then this could be a perfect location for you and your family. Out here, not only does it have the pool as well as the playground for the kids here, but it is close to the highway. So if you are looking for, a movie theater, dining, shopping, all of that fun stuff, you have easy access to the highways that can get you to those locations and get you what you need and what you're looking for. You're also not a far commute from New Braunfels. Austin's only about 45 minutes to an hour away as well, so you are very close to a lot of things. And of course, San Antonio is even closer, so there's a lot of things for you and the family to enjoy there. But with that, if you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to me. But let's go take a look at this house here. All right, y'all, thank you so much for sticking around and checking out this model home with me. I hope you enjoyed it, but if you haven't already, please let me know what you think about this home down in the comment section below. I would love to hear your reviews, whether it's good or bad or indifferent. Please drop it down below. And if you're thinking, hey, Brock, this is exactly what I've been looking for, I need more information, what's the pricing like, how many of these are available in what areas of San Antonio, then please reach out to me. All of my contact information is down below, and I'd be more than happy to help you and your family get all the information you need on this house. And on the flip side, if this isn't what you're looking for, then please let me know. There's a ton of other videos here on the channel for you to go watch and explore. There's homes from all different areas of San Antonio, as well as different price points, different sizes. So if you don't find anything there, please reach out to me, let me know what you're looking for, and I'll be more than happy to point you in the right direction. But regardless, if you're making that move to San Antonio, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I'm here to help you and your family make a smooth move to San Antonio and make that process as smooth and as simple as possible for you guys. So thank you one last time for watching this video. If you haven't already, please go ahead and like the video, and please do not forget to hit that subscribe button as well. That'll make sure you are the first to learn about the current market here in San Antonio, Texas, as well as see some more beautiful homes that I go out and film for you guys. So with that, have a good day, and I cannot wait to talk to you soon.